How to use your Trainer 22 plugin software. After running the Corel Trainer 22 installer and importing the workspace, you'll notice the new menu at the top of your CorelDRAW. All the Corel Trainer functions require you to be logged into your CorelTrainer.com account. Selecting Member Login at the top of CorelTrainer.com will confirm that you are indeed logged in. You can reset your password from this screen if you have forgotten it. From your CorelTrainer.com dashboard, you can access all your account vitals, billing, membership status, and download the trainer itself on up to 3 devices. The Corel Trainer menu has several categories to help you learn Corel from inside Corel. The first, A to Z Imprint Designer, will drop down the menu of your 26 step-by-step courses. These are designed to take anyone beyond a beginner in Corel. From the very basics to intermediate concepts, the A to Z will do 2 things when you click on them. First, each will launch the class video. Second, it will load the exact outline you'll follow inside your Corel. Work with these exact steps and graphics while watching the class. We recommend splitting your screen or picking up a second monitor to help with your learning curve. The second section and function in your Corel Trainer is our new Smart Art Search. This uses an artificial intelligence to perform a massively filtered internet clip art search. Choose either a black and white image result or color, type in the name of the graphic you need, and find nearly infinite results. This is a pretty cool new feature. Simply drag and drop the images you want to your desktop or any folder, then right into your CorelDRAW. Tracing 123 is a specific category of the #1 requested topic from our clients. Bitmap to vector tracing. These 3 classes will take you from zero to hero with making vector content from digital images. These 3 classes only take about 20 minutes, so feel free to review them a few times. The next section of Corel Trainer jumps you straight to specific categories for additional learning. You'll find our highly renowned shorts videos, beginner classes, intermediate, and all of the online and live recorded trade show classes we've taught around the country. Use the shorts to learn just 4 minutes at a time. Use the beginner classes for newbies in your business. Expand your knowledge with intermediate. And there's no reason to travel all around the country when we record dozens of live classes every year. Use the Search Trainer library to browse our entire collection of classes, videos, periodicals, worksheets, and more. Most students prefer to choose a shorts video to answer a quick question. This function will filter hundreds of resources to find what you need right now, usually in the middle of your workday. How do I do this in Corel? The search library will answer that. As a member, you can ask Corel Trainer anytime. This button drops us a special notification, letting us know who you are, that you're a member, and what your question is. This is our priority support. Usually, you'll receive a response in just minutes. You know, our anytime support is within reason. Your inquiry, whether through text, email, phone call, or the plugin, is sent directly to our company cell phones, and we love to help members. But do know that if it's in the middle of the night, or we're all on an airplane, it might take us a bit to get back to you. Though you won't be the first to text us at 10 p.m. and we actually answer. Thank you for becoming a Corel Trainer member. Keep us in the loop and we'll see you in class.